Hey, it's Andre, and this is the FT Viggen. I was going to fly some other stuff, and as you can tell, it is pretty blustery today. And that got me thinking, what am I missing in the fleet? Besides not having flown enough EDF jets this year, it's that 4S belly lander that apparently I am really missing as far as for days like this when we've got a crosswind and, you know, the field is kind of, you know, like it's just not applicable to landing gear aircraft. So I'm going to give the Viggen a fly. I haven't flown this thing in ages, but I think this winter one of my side projects is going to be taking that 4S 12 blade 70mm setup and actually crafting my own EDF jet. But tell me what you think in the comments below as far as 4S belly landers, what should be looked at. Have a good time. I hope you enjoy the flight. All right, this jet has seen a lot of action. This power system is from my Freewing F-16 that bit the dust way up there. So, I really got my doubts about that Velcro. I'll change that out real quick. It's sticking to my finger, so that's a good sign. All right, well, it pushes our CG a little forward anyhow. All right, okay. It's been a while. The wind's died down. I really wanted to fly the 1500 or the EC. I really wanted to fly the Sky Hunter today, but wasn't sure about these conditions. All right, what's the wind doing? That way. All right. No idea, never flown this plane with a camera on board. But again, just like flying the Wasp, you got to give it a really good toss. Again, this is the Flitetest Viggen. All right, here we go. Not enough of a toss. Let's try that again. What's the wind really doing? That way. All right. Okay. FT Viggen. All right, here we go. All right, stop the battery, knock the camera off. Broke the cable on the camera and everything. Disconnected the battery, nice. All right, we'll go for some lower rates. Try this camera one more time. Stop that. Okay, reconnect. Oh, that's easy. To reconnect that, keep the camera safe. One more kick. We can do this. Oh, I got a jammed servo. Why is it jammed? There you go. All right, poor Viggen. Let's try that again. All right, winds have changed again. Interesting. This poor plane. All right, last time. Oh, I think the battery's moved around a little. That's all the way up the nose. Okay. All right, one more time. Well, it's up. Well, you call it pretty, but actually it's doing really well. So I cut a cheater hole into it at one point because it really wasn't doing much. As you can hear, I don't really have a lot of throttle responsiveness. Let's see if I can bring it in low and pass me. That poor EDF. It definitely has got a point where it is not happy, so we'll stick it at the happy point. There you go. Viggen back in the air. Crazy airplane. Still flies. Nice. Despite everything I've thrown at it, it's still going. That poor EDF, that poor fan is just dying. So, it's a 2200 4S, 70 mil, probably a 6-blade fan. 40 amp ESC, maybe a 50, I have to go look. 2 Metal Gear servos, and I'm running it all on low rates. High rates, as you saw in those previous takeoffs, was a little exciting. Again, Flitetest Viggen, signed by David Vindestol himself, actually, a few years ago. So it's still going. Alright. Woohoo! Well, there goes my camera pod. Oh, there goes my camera pod. Yes. Alright, go get the camera. Oh, this could be fun. Alright, walk through a bit of a grid search now. Da-da, da-da. Operation Find the Pod. It should stick out actually pretty well. It does have my camera on it. I pray to God the camera stuck to it. No, it's a chip bag. This could take a couple minutes. Let's go put on my gloves. Keep searching. Based on the fact that the wind is blowing that way, it might have went this way a little bit. But I don't think it did. It fell pretty direct because the camera had weight on it. well, I'm gonna use this tree as my reference. It's a good thing I've got my hiking boots on and my jeans. I just hope the camera is with the canopy. Otherwise, I'm gonna be a very crossed, upset individual. Well, I guess putting the camera on top of the canopy was not the smartest move of the day. That's hindsight for you. Boy, I didn't think it would be this bad. Especially when I landed it right away. But the wind caught it. It could have went back a bit, huh? Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go put the radio away, the receiver away, and the plane away, and the batteries. And I keep searching. Somewhere in this field here is the canopy and the camera for the FT Viggen. So I'm going to keep hunting away. So enjoy the search. They say you don't like brightly colored planes. This is a really good argument to have brightly colored airplanes. Mind you, if it had been fluorescent green, I might not see it either. Walking the grid, walking the grid. It should be pretty obvious most of this grass to spot it. So I'm hoping. Check back again. I don't think it was this far back, though. I could be wrong. I'm going to come out, and then I'm going to watch the video playback. We have the technology, let's use it. Played back the video, but it didn't really show me anything. So, we keep going. I got a feeling it's back there. So my approach of aligning along here is probably flawed. So I'm going to go concentrate back that area. We'll sweep over here one more time. Because I would have been in this section, and with the way the wind is blowing, it would have blown it back into that. Alright. Look what I just found. There it is, right there. Don't know if I got the video camera still attached. No camera, so I'll have to keep looking for the camera, but I got the canopy. Yay. Okay. Where the camera went, we'll have to investigate. Yes! We got lucky. I have no idea what the footage turned out. It still works, and it's kind of hard to tell. It recorded something. Oh, well, son of a gun, look what we found. Yes, 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 it still works too. The question now is, do I go for another flight and just secure this better? Hell yeah. Woo! Okay, round 2. That was pretty dramatic, pretty annoying. Spending half my flying time in the bush over there looking for the canopy. Unfortunately, I've run out of Velcro to stick on to the Viggen, so no more on-board footage from the Viggen. But I'm going to do one more flight, and then we're going to jump to some other aircraft, and hopefully the field will be available. And for now, I'm going to fly over here and go from that. Sorry, my nose is cold, it's runny, and I've been walking through the bush for like the last hour. All right, launching that way. Right into the sun, gonna fly in this spot, use up this field. All right, so now this is just a 4S. I was gonna fly the D28, but need to switch it up. So 4S 1800, gonna have to really CG forward that buddy, but no camera, so should be lighter. Cool. Again, I apologize for the sniffles. All right. Oh boy. All right, I got this whole field at my disposal. Let's try not to hit anything or fall into the grass again, because that was annoying. However, I ended up using as much downloading the footage into the camera, from the camera to my phone, and kind of working my way backwards. You'll see that footage. This kind of makes for a fun day. Darn. Might not be enough punch. This Viggen is looking a little bit more worse for wear. Definitely tail dragging. Let's just jam that battery as far forward as possible and try it from there. There's so much gravel in this plane. Oh well, the nose is all busted up. I don't care. Let's go flying. Oh, what are the odds of that? Doing! Haven't hit that post in such a long time. I think that's a wrap for the Viggen today. Oh yeah. Yep. I tell ya. Maybe I shouldn't do any more flying today. I'm Andre, that's the Flitetest Viggen. I haven't hit that post in a very long time, but oh well. Listen, these videos never quite turn out the way they're supposed to, but I had fun. So I'm gonna go probably grab the Tundra and just do some simple cruising, because apparently I'm a menace to my airplanes today. Oh well, hope you enjoyed all the fun.